Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will run Alpha One Trader. It's a free worldwide binary option robot that you also can have complete for free. Just push the link you see up there right now, or just use the link below the video. So, as you can see, I'm having a little more fun in my channel. I've started to play some games, and that will be a new addition to my channel. So if you're into games, one more reason for you to push that subscribe button, the like button on this video, and make sure you follow everything I do from now on, because I will just add and add stuff into my channel so I can get out to a more wider audience, okay? But for now, let's start up this free binary option robot and let's see how much money we make in this video.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we take. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day. Through the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes, and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away.
just like that. This Sunday we made $85 in matter of 15 minutes. A little more than 50 minutes, but our target was to run the robot for 50 minutes and stop the trades for only winning trades. So with that, have an amazing day.